mine!
Mine!
I'll break the piñata.
It's my piñata.
No, I'll break it.
I can do it better.
What?
What's wrong? Oh! Uh-oh! Ooh!
Huh?
Yahoo! Booyah!
Look!
Huh?
It's a hurricane!
I will protect us.
Yes, yes!
Oh?
Oh, we have to go home.
Uh-huh.
Come on! I'm coming to you.
Phew, we survived.
Look!
What?
What do we do?
Oh, we have to follow the rules.
So what do we do first?
We need to close all the windows and doors now. Rule 1. Close all doors and windows, kids.
Final round.
Hey!
You have to follow all the other rules. Okay. Awesome.
Varia! There's a hurricane coming. We have to cover all the windows.
Rule 2. Glue the glass with duct tape. Okay. Aha! Come on.
Oh no!
Just like that.
Look how to do it correctly.
Ah! All right. Okay.
Now the hurricane won't get us.
I'm gonna catch you now.
Awesome. Turn off all electrical equipment and prepare the lights and radio, kids.
Oopsie.
Come on!
Well done! Nah! Whoa!
We found them all!
Yeah!
Nice!
Now we're gonna have fun.
Scary!
Don't be afraid, we have flashlights. Yes, yes, yes!
What?
We're not afraid of you!
So cool.
Uncle! The hurricane is close!
The hurricane? Yes. All right, all right.
Wait! You should take this with you!
With me?
Yeah, look!
Rule 4. Stock up on food and water, kids.
Ooh. Oh. Done.
You have to throw it away. And that's enough for all of us.
Oh. Aha. Ooh.
Awesome!
Ooh.
What?
Ew! Ugh!
Huh? Whoa. Look. All the shops are closed.
And we already have food.
What? You have food?
There's only one rule left. Rule 5. Stay away from windows, kids. We need to get more pillows.
No more blankets.
No pillows.
Hey! Here! Come on!
Phew. Oh, so more blankets?
We need blankets and pillows.
Where are those kids?
Aha! No.
Drats! You'll pay for this!
Hey, are you afraid? You and me are well prepared.
Nobody's afraid of me here. I'm going home.
Wait, listen.
Huh?
I'm pleased to inform you that the hurricane is over.
Huh?